InvestGlass is a Swiss-based solution, which means that we're not subject to the Cloud Act, and this, I think, is one of the most important things you should first remember about InvestGlass. InvestGlass' purpose is to do sales automations, compliance automations. We've built an amazing solution around 5 pillars: digital onboarding with no code, fully flexible CRM, a gorgeous portfolio management tool, amazing marketing features, and last but not least, a no-code client portal. Today, I'm going to introduce you some of our latest stunning, blow-minding solutions we developed for banks and asset managers. This is a random website where from this website, you can host your digital forms. Those forms answers will go directly inside the CRM, and again, with absolutely no code and in a SaaS solution, which means that in terms of security workflows, you'll be safe. This is the view of the CRM. The CRM is fully flexible, so anything you see here, from the buttons, the fields, the processes, the pipelines, everything can be fully customized to your needs. From this page, I'm going now to create what we call a package, because obviously, when you onboard clients with wealth management or retail banking, there's not only one form. So we developed recently this amazing solution where you'll find different different forms that can be aggregated into one package system. This is extremely helpful, and we just had a client over the phone half an hour ago who told us that with this, they increased by 500% their efficiency in account opening, delivering the right information at the right time. As you can see here, this is John Smith's record, and this is John Smith's information, which means that if you are fulfilling multiple forms, the data will be recorded each time you submit one form. Extremely efficient. And obviously, as I said, the form system, the digital form, is absolutely with no code. I won't go too far into the kitchen, but here the idea is to show you that you will find multiple type of options that are already live with banks running on different legacy portfolio management tools in the UK, in Switzerland, and in the Middle East. Now, when you want to engage with your prospects or your customers, you have different views. And obviously, the idea of InvestGlass is to be able to customize the views. Would you like to see your customers in form of a pipeline, a calendar, or a grid? You're free to change the format as much as you want. This means also that different company team will have different view. So you can create a view for the compliance, and you can create a view for the sales. Obviously, they will look into different fields. Now, as we have those forms and we have the CRM, let's engage with customers. For that, we will have into InvestGlass the best solution to automate communication. Here we're showing you automation with email or SMS. Why do I mean, what is it about automating this? Well, simply from InvestGlass, you can create your own templates to generate your own campaigns. This is very, very efficient because the emails you will send will be hyper-individualized, and to each individual email, you will also find the link to the form. The form will be individualized. Obviously, this purpose here is for marketing, but all our clients are doing this also for KYC remediation. With automation that you'll see later on, this is an extremely efficient tool to engage each customer individually. More importantly, because customers hate customer portals, we also created a public sharing system with a secret question that is going to be asked to your clients for them to fulfill their forms without logging into a portal. Now, once you onboarded new customers and selling new products, let's go into the portfolio management tool. InvestGlass portfolio management tool is connected to the existing legacy portfolio management tool that you know in the industry. We have made an amazing job in upgrading the system to be compatible with MiFID as well as LSFIN in Switzerland. You all know that, suitability, appropriateness, concentration, and so forth and so on. The tools obviously will help the advisors, but also will guide investors to make sure that what they invest in is just perfect and suited to their knowledge, experience, and investment objectives. The tool also can be used in multiple languages. Here I'm showing you in Chinese. We offer a version also in Portuguese, German, French, Hebrew, Spanish, Arabic. So I will invite you to join us to see all that in more details. When you want to then publish those investment solicitations, and because InvestGlass is only about automations, you will find different tools like pushing PDF quarterly reports. Now, if you want to be extremely efficient in pushing this, you're not going to press the button one after the other. For that, you're going to use InvestGlass Publisher. This tool is currently used by private banks in Switzerland to blast to their customers their quarterly reports and their advisory reports. It's not magic, it's automation. We're talking here about saving hours and hours and hours of bankers and advisors with all those automation systems for suitability and appropriateness. Now, the objective then is obviously to make sure that the KYC are updated. And for that, InvestGlass built this campaign tool. This campaign tool can be used for marketing, but here I'm going to show it to you for compliance purposes. From this system, you can customize the whole workflow, and I can show you some of the very interesting systems that we built recently, such as the routing options. So when you have a lot of KYC to deal with, InvestGlass, based on the complexity of the KYC remediation process, will just automatically distribute the cases to the compliance officers, to the relationship manager. Thank you very much for that. I hope you enjoy watching InvestGlass Swiss CRM.